Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can convert XRP to USDT in Binance. And so the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over into your wallet overview. Now from here, you will be able to see all of your assets in your Binance account. Now, to simply transfer or swap your tokens easily, what you can do is to simply go ahead and once again navigate through your wallet. Right after that, you will be able to simply go ahead and find your XRP right here. Unfortunately, I don't have any XRP. So what I can do is to go ahead and head over into the specific asset right here, which is going to be XRP. Click on the trade options. And from there, we can then go ahead and swap our XRP into USDT. So you want to make sure that you select USDT right here, enter the amount that you want to swap, and then click on the convert button. From there, you will be able to simply convert your token right here into USDT. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.